Hey guys, welcome back to CloudRaga. So we saw what is Stream API and what can or where it can be used. So if we talk about this, official document, so it simply says the stream is just a pipeline like a widget which can be used to query your structure. So it acts like a pipeline and stream is just a data. This is even they give you some element like a sequence of elements supporting sequential and parallel aggregate operations, and these are some following operations which you can do like collections, then call stream on it, then some kind of filters you are doing, some map to int like converting it from some value to int value, and then calculating it sum and giving it back, so store code. So that's one example. And after that, if you scroll down, you will see lots of methods out there. There are lots of methods present in Stream API. I have just filtered out some of the mostly or commonly used, methods from Stream API, like stream filter, map, flat map, distinct, sorted with comparator, limit, skip, for each, reduce, collect, any match, all match, none match, count. So these are some commonly used methods which you will see throughout your journey when you're working with filter APIs. So let's pick the first method. I'm not going to pick write example for all, but I will definitely write some example which will give you idea how it works. But again, if you doubt, definitely ping me in the comment section. I will write that or provide explanation why it is used and how it works. So let's use this method filter. So how it works, first of all, like requirement is I just need to filter out some from the collection, maybe some integer values or some kind of let's suppose I want to fetch only all the even numbers or odd numbers from the collection. That kind of operation it's possible by using filters. So it just says filtering out the things. So let's suppose I have a collection which is stored in a list, and I'll say perform some operations on list using Stream API, right? This is the first thing, using Stream API. So first thing I have to do, get that reference, then dot, and call this stream method on it. Once you have it, you have a power of stream. Even you can, you know, okay, something happened here. Okay, so then you can simply say it's not working, so cut this out. So here what you can do, you can store this reference in this variable and then further you can use it. But this is not we do typically because we want to write some concise code like lambdas. So we will create a chain, like chaining. That's one of the feature we saw in first video of stream when you were getting some intro. So through streams you can chain out your methods. So this is one way of doing it, but again not popular. Other way is writing with the same way and then call method on that stream directly, because every time you call the method it returns always a stream type or some other operations. So idea is call filter. So here I can see use filter and then some kind of things you have passed and then semicolon, and you will get some filter out data. So I just gave you idea how it looks like, but again as per our requirement we have to do some more coding. So let's jump over to the Eclipse and do the stuffs. But before writing the code, let me just give you idea how it will look like when you write some code. So list dot stream, call stream on the collection reference, then call filter. You have to write some logic here, so I'm writing in some dash, and you want to store some in collection. So write dot, we are going to chain this up. So we call collect, and I want to collect this whole result into a collection. So list, so collections, sorry, it's going to collectors dot to list. So for now just memorize it. This is the only way for now. Let's suppose that this only way you have to get the data, so use it and it gives you a list of some data we don't know yet and some reference, and done. So once you are done with this kind of statement, we are actually implemented a filter logic. So in next video we will create a collection, run stream on it, and we'll see how to use filter, what kind of logic you have to write here. I'll write this in this way, question mark, that will be better, so because we don't know yet what we have to pass. Okay, we will check its official document, then we'll start coding it. And rest section, It's just collecting. Once the results are filtered out, so you have to store it somewhere. So there comes this collect method, and collect will take some argument which says collect whatever coming in the output and store it in a list, and that goes here. So that's just overview of filter. Let's see how to write code in next video. So stay tuned guys, let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.